So those are sort of the different types of magnets that are available these days. And I'm sure there are others that I am missing, but those are the ones that I have. Now, in terms of application, so I have here some artificial nails just painted with a coat of black. And you don't have to use black. In fact, I often don't use black, and I will just do like 2 coats of the magnetic itself. But just because I was using all different kinds, I just wanted to go with something standard here, okay? So you want to let that first coat dry. Whether you use the magnetic polish as the base or whether you use black, you want to let that first coat dry, okay? So then with the second coat, of the magnetic, you want to go in fast, but with a nice thick coat of the magnetic polish, okay? Sorry, okay? Really nice thick coat of the magnetic polish, okay? And then apply the magnet right away, okay? Get as close as you can, okay? And the longer you hold it, the more of a definite pattern you will get, because if you pull it away and the polish is still drying, it will move more. But see how you get that definite line there through there, okay? That will disperse some as the polish dries, okay? And so depending upon how long you let it dry, if you let this dry fully, then it won't move much when you top coat it. But when you, but if I were to apply a top coat right now, that would move a lot, and I would definitely want to apply the magnet again. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so I'll show you with this magnet pen and this Fun Lacquer Harmony. That first one I did was Native Warpaint's Nebula. So for this one, again, you're gonna go in with a thick coat. Okay. Make sure you cover the whole nail. Okay. I'm gonna try a magnet pen on it and see if I can get like a spiral shape. Okay. And again, that will disperse some because I did that really quickly, so I don't know how well that will hold its pattern, but I think it will be pretty good. Okay, and I'll show you all of these after they dry and after I've top coated them. So that's 2. Okay, then the next one I'm going to show you is Tonic Nail Polish Zeppo. And for this one, I'm going to use the arc magnet, I think. No. I'm going to use the big magnet. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. And again, go in with a thick coat. And I'm gonna do this method here, where I'm laying it almost flat. And so that did form almost an arc there, if you can tell. Okay. Where the shimmer is all along the sides, and then the dark bit where the flaky show are in the middle. And I actually really quite like that. So I'm gonna definitely use that pattern here shortly. So that was 3. Okay. So 4, I'm gonna use this Sally Hansen magnetic, and I'm gonna use the this thing on it and see what that does, since I have not played around with that much at all. Okay. All right. Oh, and that one's really cool. That's interesting. I quite like that. So that's another fun one to play around with. Okay. And then last one, what have I not used yet, is this El Corazon one. Okay. And what have I not done yet? Okay, and I'll show you the arc magnet here. Okay. And you can see the dark in the middle there, and then the light pieces away from the magnet. And it forms like a really light line right where that line ends. So I quite like that. Oh. You get that definitive split there between where the magnet lines were and then pulling away from it. So anyway, I hope you found that useful, and if you have any questions or want me to do any different types of magnetic polishes or magnets, just drop me a note in the comments. Thanks for watching.